Kabul is one of those cities which are of immense interest to us and Afghanistan. Until in the 60s and 70s, the favorite place for Pakistanis to visit was Kabul, and a lot of people from Afghanistan used to be visiting. Peshawar was a place for them to visit. So we have historical links, we have connections, we have relations between the two countries. So the whole idea of coming at a time when violence is increasing in Afghanistan is to assure you, Mr. President, that we, the people of Pakistan, the government of Pakistan, have only one concern, and that concern is what you are feeling in Afghanistan, that we want peace. We feel that people of Afghanistan have suffered for 4 decades, and if ever a human community needed peace, it's Afghanistan, and it is now. Pakistan played its role in getting first the Taliban to talk to the Americans, and then the intra-Afghan dialogue. And we noticed with concern that the level of violence, despite the talks in Qatar, despite the talks, the level of violence is rising. Whenever you feel that there's somewhere Pakistan can help in reducing the violence, please let us know. We assure you that whatever possible within our grasp, within our reach, whatever we can do, we assure you that we will be doing our utmost to reduce this level of violence.